Sound rolling, camera rolling,
Scene 12, take 4.
and action. Hello everyone, for all those who are interested in acting, who are passionate about acting and you wanted to join a physical acting school to learn acting, but for whatever reason you could not join. So if you want to learn acting professionally sitting at home, how can you learn professional acting and become a trained actor by joining Academy? So what you can do is, when you join Academy, the very first thing what you can do is you can start with some basic lectures in acting. So we have got a segment which is just giving you an understanding of what exactly the professional acting is. You understand how the real emotions works, how imagination works, how exactly you should be able to concentrate in the scene, how exactly you're supposed to imagine in the scene, how exactly you're supposed to prepare for the dialogues, how exactly you're supposed to say the dialogues. Now, while you understand all these key information about the acting, you are well versed. Now you understand what exactly is expected from you in acting. And then you go and you start seeing our segment which is on key emotions. This segment of key emotions, we have got many actors like you who are basically beginners in acting. They are being trained in different emotions. So we have got over 36 different videos, and in every single video you have got one actor who is being trained in a specific emotion. So you will have one video where an actor is being trained with respect to how to be anxious and say a dialogue, right? So when you see this video, you understand that what all these actors, how exactly this actor is trying to say, what kind of mistakes he's making, how he is being corrected and guided by the acting coach. So just by seeing this video of 12 to 15 minutes where this actor is learning to perform a particular emotion, you get lots of tips. You understand what all key mistake as an actor you would be making, and while you watch this video, you can also practice the similar emotion alongside. We also have got a separate segment for animated expressions. So when you are sad or you're happy or you're angry, there is a specific changes which takes place on your face. So when you are sad, maybe your eyebrows gets down, you have got wrinkles on your forehead, maybe your mouth is basically making a bell-shaped curve, maybe your nose is squeezed. So every single key changes which happens in your face for a particular expression, we are highlighting that in a video which is an animated expression. So now we have got over 30 plus videos on different expressions. These 30 plus animated videos, when you see them, you become an expert in expressions, because while watching these videos you can start practicing along with these videos. So you understand how to be sad, what exactly changes happens in your face, and you practice those changes on your face, how exactly to become anxious, how exactly to become angry, how exactly to become excited. So every single emotion you start practicing the expressions. We have got a different segment with respect to scene improvisation, where actors like you, they are given a scene and they are supposed to perform the scene on camera, and there are no dialogue, it's just a situation. It is exactly the way you perform in an audition. Right? So when you have got a situation like that, and the actors who are beginners like you, they start performing the particular scene, and then they are corrected with respect to how their emotions should work, how exactly the body movement should work, how exactly they should respond to each other, how should they believe to be in the scene, how should they concentrate in the scene, what all mistakes they are doing with respect to the camera acting. So when you see all these segments, all these videos on scene improvisation, you start understanding how exactly you're supposed to improvise a scene and how freely you're supposed to perform in front of the camera. We have got video lectures on advanced acting, where you start understanding all the details, how the character is supposed to be prepared, how exactly you prepare the backstory, how professional actors go through the process of becoming and getting into the skin of the character, how exactly the eye movements works, how exactly the body language works, how exactly you're supposed to use all these Stanislavski key techniques of acting. So there are over tens of videos which are on advanced acting, and these are videos ranging from 8 minutes to 15 minutes. There are many other segments. There are segments which are related to how do you change from one emotion to another emotion. There are segment which is covering videos, how you can perform 2 to 3 emotions at the same time. There are segment which has got a scene library. You can pick any scene from the scene library and use it to practice different acting techniques which you are learning. There are hundreds of videos available for you, and every single day you can watch 3 to 5 videos. And if you watch 3 to 5 videos, you would be requiring 30 to 45 minutes. While watching this video, you practice this video. Over a period of 3 to 6 months, you will get enough confidence to start going for the auditions. And over a period of a year or so, you will be as good as a trained actor who has gone for a physical acting school of a year or 2 years. So if you want to learn acting from home, join Academy.